Morning, everybody. It's 8:40 on Tuesday, the 14th, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1698. Sorry for last night. No power. Strange. The storm is worse now, but the power is on. Okay, let's get right to the CPI. CPI on a month-to-month basis came in at zero point 0.4, which is exactly what it was expected to be up. On the core side, ex food and energy, it was up 5 tenths, which is not huge. On a year over year basis, CPI was up 6% versus 6.4 last time around. 6% was exactly what was expected. On the year over year, on the core, we were 5.5, down from 5.6. So a little bit better there. So I want to say a couple of things. First of all, what the hell is it with these Democrats? In 1999, while Bill Clinton was president, they bailed out long term capital. Long term capital, in case you don't know, was a bunch of experts, Nobel Prize winning pundits who formed a hedge fund. They made pretty good money. And then in 1999, or 1998 actually, they started what I would call reaching for return, which is a very common issue. So Clinton bailed them out. Obama in 2008, I think everybody knows that story. Besides picking winners like Solyndra that only cost, $1 billion of taxpayers' money to go into it as an investment and come back out at zero. President Obama also managed to the upheaval against capitalism when he denied the bond investors, and not just any bond investors, the secured bond investors, gave them nothing and gave their stake in General Motors to the unions. Now we have Biden essentially backstopping every bank and every customer over 250,000. It's not in writing, yet that's what it's doing. So, this overreaching and overstepping by these three Democratic presidents is very disturbing to me as a student of markets and as somebody who has been around long enough to see some of this stuff come to fruition. Okay, as far as the stock futures, by the way, commodity futures are all down. The products are down. The grains are down. Oil is down. The metals are slightly lower because of the jump in interest rates. We took a profit on over 100% yesterday on the silver. We have plenty of time, but I may or may not sell those this morning. Okay, at 7:45, the Dow was up $168. And at 8:29, right before the numbers came out, it was down $12. NASDAQ was up 71. It was up about 30. The S&P was up 24. It was roughly up about 16. After the number, the Dow got up to 255. It is currently up about 190. The NASDAQ was up about 115, and the S&P was up about 34. Right now, the S&P is up 2770, Dow is up 160, Nasdaq is up 90. Um, the SPYs, we have a position there also, up a couple of dollars, not overwhelming. And one piece of news from Bungie, BG, 99.55, up $8.16 on the news that it's going to replace Signature Bank, SBNY. The banks, by the way, are all rallying. Meta, more layoffs. The stock up $1.36. UAL, what a surprise after their cheerleader CEO fed us a pile of crap about how great things are. Amazing. They guided lower and a loss. The stock closed 48.83, got down to 45.19, last 46.15, down to 48. So, you got the geniuses telling us what we should and shouldn't do as long as the Democratic president is around, because everything will be stopped. And we have the banks coming up on the implicit backstop that the Fed gave them yesterday. All right, everyone. I hope you don't mind my ranting here, but this is genuinely disturbing to somebody who believes in capitalism as opposed to crony politics.